I'm fucking 45 and having a midlife fucking crisis.
One, and you're like bent over on it, and I remember I like started like sticking it in your butt when you were dead. What? Yes. Okay. Fine. You ready?
Come on! Jesus Christ! Bitch, my NVIDIA drivers weren't working, and then Oculus wanted to fucking shove a dildo up my ass! Okay? So you know what? I do not care what you think.
You stuff it in your
Stop
butt.
screaming in my ear, dude!
Me?
God, man!
Toby, calm down.
Yes, you! Jesus
What am I doing?
Christ! I'm gonna turn you down.
Ow! Did you hear that? I hit my elbow. Ow! Hold up, let me move over here. Wait, where's my barrier?
Can y'all hear him? Can y'all hear him?
I don't hear him.
No, they cannot.
Hey, Cody, watch this. I like your cut, G. Kissy. Come here. Yo!
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
No, he was right there. He's like this, and he was banging, and I was like, roar!
Act like a bear. Act like a bear.
Roar!
Toby, just give up. Get back to the van.
Dry humping here. I don't know what you're trying to tell me.
Fuck! What? I'm done. You don't die. You have no arm and you.
I can't. Did you just
I'm done, dude. I'm literally done. I can't.
You died right in front of me.